Hello everyone, welcome to yet another master class, and in today's video we are going to discuss about Tableau Public Desktop. So this is an answer to all of those who were asking to give Tableau product for pre-use so that they can practice and learn. So till now we were using Tableau Desktop edition, like either a trial version we were trying to use, or we were using on a student edition to learn and all. But in this video we'll see how we can use Tableau Public, the latest product from Tableau side. So let us get started without wasting much time. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See, now to get to this, what you need to do is go to Google and search for Tableau Public here. Okay, so under that you see a link that is ending with Tableau Public here, public.tableau.com. You can click on that, and it will take you to this page. Okay, it is a Tableau Public. So what is Tableau Public? So Tableau Public is like a public forum where you can showcase your Tableau designing skills. You can create your profile, you can upload your dashboards and all. So that is this page. So anything that is available here is publicly available to anyone who is on this platform, which means they will be able to download the dashboards and all. They will be able to see what kind of data sets you have used. They can see, you know, kind of calculations you have done. All of that they can see. So this is the platform that users are using to showcase their skills. Same like how we have our LinkedIn page where we showcase our professional skills. This is specifically designed for dashboard. Now here, once you sign in, it will take you to this page, okay, where you have two options on the top. One is web authoring and another one is download Tableau Desktop Public Edition. Web authoring means from here itself you can create your workbooks. Okay, you see here connected to data, here it is asking. So I can simply upload a file from my machine and I can go to my repository where I have files or data sources present, and I can select whatever the data source I want and I can connect it to that and I can simply get started. Okay, so this is one method. So whatever you are doing here is on the web platform. Okay, it is on the web platform. So it will be very similar to how Tableau desktop is. Okay, so this is one method of using Tableau desktop for learning purpose. But assume you don't want to do it, you're not comfortable in doing it from web version. You want to download the product. You can simply go to that also. Just click on don't publish because we do not want to publish anything as of now. We can do it later. So under this, you have an option called as a download Tableau Public Edition. So once you download, installation is very similar to how we do it for Tableau Desktop. And once you do that, this is how your Tableau Public will look like. Okay, so if you go to data source, this is our data source layer here. So the major difference that you observe will be at data source layer only. Like major things that we have in Tableau desktop. Now say here, this is my Tableau desktop application. Okay. If I go to data source layer, here one major difference that you see here is connection type. Live and extract here we have. Okay. But if I go to my Tableau public, you will not see that type, live and extract, which means it is all, uh, these are not live connections. Okay, so this is an extract already. Okay, so but they have not given us the flexibility to choose between them. The other difference you will see around is the data sources that we can connect to. So if you see here, under this connected to a file, we have limited option, and here if I go to more, I don't have much options here, only few options. I can connect to web data connectors or Google Drive, not more than three here. But okay, so the same thing if I go to our Tableau desktop and if I click on this under data server, we have under server, we have many servers that are available here, which means this is a limited version or with a limited featured edition just for exploring the basic data sets and creating your visualization on top of that and using the application. Okay, so from here you can click on Microsoft Excel and connect it to data set. But now we need a data set to practice, right? So generally when we download and install Tableau desktop, we automatically get a sample superstore to play with. If you're not getting that in Tableau public, you can also download the data from web itself. Okay, so go to learn. Okay, under that you have an option called as sample data. So here you have list of data sets we can play with. So we have sample superstore or superstore sales, and then we have 2014, this one. Okay, employment changes in the Great Britain by industry, millennial versus baby boomer employment. So these are, and there are many data sets you can play with. So whatever you are comfortable, whatever the genre you are comfortable, business related you need, you have that. Okay, entertainment you have, sports related you have, and also that is one major difference you will observe. So other than that, if there are any issues that you have stuck up in Tableau using this application, then you might have to rely on community resources. So this is something that you can always refer to. So download the data set from here. I have already downloaded it and I want to connect it to an already existing data set. So what I'm doing is I'm selecting on Microsoft Excel and going to where my data set is. Okay. So I'm under the same folder 2024.1. Under that and I'm selecting this and I can simply click on that. Okay. Same. Now drag and drop. Okay. You are connected to this. Now if you go to this, okay, you see we are, I just close. Okay. Now we are connected and we can simply connect and create our simple view. Like say I'm trying to drag and drop and play this. Okay, we can create view. Now again, one major difference again you will observe is when I right click on this, see the options that we are getting. It is very limited, right? We only have only very limited options. Same thing I'm trying to do it from Tableau desktop here. Okay. And I'm just going to sheet, and if I right click, we have different set of options here. Okay, which means we have options related to live connections, we have options related to extract connections, but here you're not seeing all of that. You have only limited options that are related to extract only, but only that also, that like refresh kind of and all that you cannot do it from this one. Okay, so let us after once you are done, okay, maybe we need to publish this report to the server, assume. So I can save that. So for that, you need to just sign in your report to the server. Okay, I'm just trying to sign in here. So once you sign in, it is asking save workbook to Tableau Public. Okay, so publishing this workbook will make it available on the Tableau Public website. Okay, make sure it doesn't contain private or any confidential information. So please do ensure whenever you are trying to publish any workbook to Tableau Public platform, it does not have any sensitive information in that because it is publicly available to anyone on that platform. So you can rename it my Tableau Public or my sample workbook. Click on save. So now once you save that, it is directly saving to Tableau Public itself. See, because you are already creating it, it is saving it in that. See, it is going to Tableau Public directly. Now you will see that workbook here. So generally in desktop, if at all we want to do that, what do? We sign in here and then we click go to Tableau Public and we do save to Tableau Public. These options we select. But here we didn't do all of that. Okay, so here also under server, we do not have that option. See, we have only run optimizer option. So these are some major differences that you will see in while using this Tableau Public. So, but overall, it should help all of those who are planning to learn Tableau or want to learn Tableau, but they cannot afford license. This is something to start off. You will definitely love it. Okay. But from learning perspective, whatever the features we need from calculations perspective and all that, we should be able to do it. Okay. So there should not be any stopping to your learning. It will definitely help. Maybe this is Tableau desktop is more of a an extended version of your Tableau desktop with sorry, extended version of your Tableau Public with complete features. This is a limited feature. Obviously, they are limiting something in Tableau Public. Okay. So start your journey, and if you have any doubts, you can always refer to our channel, which has a lot of videos related to learning, a lot of videos related to interview questions and all. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, and have a good day.